Okay, what's up guys? For this video you're not going to be able to see me, but I thought I would copy the style of a proper unboxer and do one of these hands in front of the camera format videos. As you can see, I'm on the scene of the Bang Bros couch. So yeah, I didn't sit on that couch. But yeah, let's get into this thing. So today I picked up a Realme X from Hong Kong. I'm back in Macau now, and I think this is only available in China and India at the moment. I didn't actually need a new phone, but I saw, I was looking for a phone for my mom and saw some reviews for this one come up, and I just couldn't not buy it. I mean, it's just such a good deal. If you don't know anything about this phone, pretty much it's only 350 New Zealand dollars. I got it for 1,839 Hong Kong dollars over in Hong Kong. And as you can see maybe here, I got the white version. Oh, no, you can't see that. Oh, sorry. There's some glare there. It's the white version, 64 gig and 6 gigabyte of RAM. Other features on this phone, it's got an inbuilt fingerprint reader on the screen. It's got a 48 megapixel Sony sensor camera on the back. For the front facing camera, it's got a motorized flip up camera that comes out of the top. And it's got like the Snapdragon 710, I read. You already saw the RAM size, but yeah, it's got some awesome features and can do some amazing things for 350 NZD. I think in USD that's like maybe like 250, something like that. But if you know anything about this phone, you would have seen how cheap it is. But yeah, let's get into this. So I'll try and unbox this thing. I didn't bring a knife, so I'm just gonna have to like find a weak point. This may take some time. Let's fast forward. Okay, let's do the smart thing and get an ID card, and there we go. Put that thing back. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. I really like the packaging on this sort of yellow and grey color scheme they have. Just slip that off. I don't know what that says. It's got Ren, something. I don't read much Chinese. But there you go, Realme X. Same details on the back. Let's lift off the top. Oh, what we got there? Realme. So I think this is like maybe the free case that you get. Yeah, there you go. That's a case, and also it'll be like the warranty, the instructions, everything like that. Let's put that there, and there it is, the phone itself. So you see it's got the fingerprint sensor there. Let's just flop that out. Put that back. And there is the phone. So as I said, I got the white version. You can see the 48 megapixel camera there. And yeah, feels nice. It feels very sturdy, feels like a good phone. And I'll just quickly show you what else is in the box. So, you know, you've got your usual, that's a Chinese/US adapter. It's no good to me. But I have a converter. It's annoying though if you live in New Zealand or other third world countries. You can't use the fast charge because you have to use a converter, and they're not rated for the same like wattage or whatever. And that's pretty cool too. If you can see in there, it's a yellow USB port. And from what I was seeing from other unboxings, this is the first Realme phone, which is a sub-brand of Oppo, if you didn't know. First Realme phone with USB-C. I'll just open this up because Also, from what I saw, it should have... Also, these were yellow in other videos I saw, so let's check. Yeah, there you go. Yellow USB. That's pretty cool. So let's see if this thing turns on. I really hope it does, or I'm gonna have to go back to Hong Kong. So you got like... what's that? That looks like the power button, the most likely SIM card slot there. And that looks like the volume knobs. Front of the phone, as you see, there's no bezel really. A small bezel there, and small ones on the side, but nothing up the top. Looks like that's a speaker, little speaker grill there, so that's cool they managed to fit that in. And you can just sort of see where the camera will pop out. There it's got your USB-C port and a headphone jack. And it feels a little bit plasticky, but overall pretty good quality. Oh, and look at that nice sheen. That's really nice. I'm glad I got the white version, and well, I'm glad they had the white version, because that's the one I wanted to buy. But let's see if this thing starts up. We'll just hold that power button down. Oh, there we go. I see there's like a little pixel under the Realme logo, but that's only on the video. It's not actually in real life, so don't worry about that. Cool. Okay, we want English. Let's just do the public Wi-Fi. Okay, so I've just got the phone all set up. It's running the operating system of this company. So I don't really like that. It is just another version of Android though, but it's got like no Google Play, no Google apps, so I'll have to find out how to put those on there, but I'm sure it won't be too hard. As you can see, the in-screen fingerprint sensor is working pretty well. It's pretty quick. I'll just do it one more time. Yeah, so you just have to like double tap it and it's pretty instant, so that's cool. Let's check out this camera in the top of the phone. Okay, sure. Whatever. So, I don't know if you can see much there, but the front camera is pretty good. I won't do like a full camera test, because you can see that in other videos. This is just a quick unboxing, because I bought this phone. Let's flip that bad boy. Oh, look at that. What's up? That is pretty cool. Looks pretty good quality. What happens when we change these modes? Okay, so that's actually a decentish portrait mode compared to my Huawei. Makes you look pretty nice. And video, okay. And then you'll see it go back down, so that's pretty cool. Let's see if there's anything else I want to show you on here. How on earth do I go back? Oh, like swipe up from the bottom, I see. Yeah, so these are like the native apps that you get with this OS. It's got like some Chinese stuff on there. I'm gonna have to get rid of that. 10 cent. Ugh, no. Taobao. Okay, I might use that. Alipay maybe. Baidu. I hear Baidu is terrible. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Let's just test out. Let's just test out a video. Okay, so the internet here is too shit to load 4K. It looks like that is more like maybe 240p. So that's a bit of a fail. Yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. I'll turn this bad boy around. I actually am on the casting couch too. But yeah, it seems like a pretty cool phone. I'll play around with it some more, see if I like it. If I can't get rid of that Chinese bloatware, that's going to be a problem. But I've still got my Huawei, which I like quite a bit. So if I don't like this phone, I might just sell it back in New Zealand. But so far, first impressions, it has some good features. It's annoying about the software that comes with it. The features that it comes with seem to work pretty well, but I'm gonna have to use it a bit, and I'll post something in the comments and give you an update on whether I like this phone or not. But so far, I think I'd give it like probably a 7.5 out of 10. It just loses a couple of points due to the software, and it just feels a little bit plasticky. But apart from that, it seems pretty cool. I like the design of the box. The cables you get with it, those are pretty cool. And yeah, I'll give you another update soon. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.